left our luggage and went straight to the free walking tour. Tomorrow we're going to do another free walking tour. This free walking tour here in Copenhagen, it's one of my friends and partners. You can read about them, about our visit to their free walking tour on my website also. I just finished the second walking tour with Daniel. Yesterday we did Christianshavn. Now we did the old part of Copenhagen. It took 3 hours. There was a break in between.
And Jutland's major cities, that one over there is called Aarhus. Aarhus is a university city. It's Denmark's second biggest city, and it's a really cool place. In 2017, Aarhus was the cultural city of Europe. Now this city up here, that is called Aalborg. Aalborg used to be the capital of Denmark, a long time before Roskilde and a much longer time before Copenhagen.
I can say that Daniel is a real inspiration. For sure one of the best, or probably the best free walking tour I did so far in any city. And it seems like here in Copenhagen there are only two companies. One is the biggest European free walking tour company, another one is the Free Walking Tour Copenhagen. And if you're here in Copenhagen, definitely go with the Free Walking Tour Copenhagen local company. What I will do now is I will visit their office and just quickly say hello, just to meet them in person.